Hi buddies, how are you? Last time we created schematic diagram and PCB layout diagram. Today I'm going to explain how to print the actual PCB using EasyEDA online platform. This thing is very easy. All the facilities are generated by EasyEDA software. Okay, I am kindly request please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Okay, let's go to the lesson. Now I open last day our PCB layout diagram. For the PCB printing, we can use this shortcut of PCB fabrication file Gerber. I click it. Then I have this message window, export PCB fabrication file. File name, automatically generated this file name, Gerber PCB1 and today's date. We have two options, order PCB and export Gerber. Order PCB is directly connected to EasyEDA's supporting company of JLCPCB. JLCPCB can create high quality PCBs for very cheap amount of money. Its minimum order quantity is 5 PCBs. The export Gerber is we can download the Gerber file for our PCB purposes. First of all, I click order PCB. Then I have yes, check DRC checks. I click no, continue exporting. Confirm. It is automatically connected to JLCPCB. I connected with this JLCPCB website using my Gmail, automatically exporting our Gerber file to JLCPCB website. This is the top side and bottom side of our PCB layout. We have many options of this website. First of all, we have base material FR4 flex. FR4 is a normal PCBs, aluminum material, copper core material, Rogers, PTFE material. I click FR4. This is the default PCB type. Then we have next option layers. How many layers? One or two. We have two layers. The top layer has small jumper. I click two layers. Dimension is automatically generated. Minimum order quantity. PCB quantity 5 PCBs. We can't set the one PCB. Next option is PCB thickness. It has many options, but the default FR4 materials PCB default size is 1.6 millimeter. It is the PCB thickness. We have PCB colors. There are so many colors: green, purple, red, yellow PCB, blue PCB, white PCB, black PCB. If you can choose your favorite color for your project, I click purple color. Silk screen is the components marking. It is white color mark on the PCB. Surface finish default option is HASL with LED. These are default settings. It's not need to change it. They ask if you want PCB assembling using components. We can select this. If we need stencil, we can select this. This is the cost of our PCBs. Special offer $2. Calculating price is $2. They need build time 3 days. This is the shipping cost area. We can choose fastest shipping is DHL Express, or we not need the faster shipping. We can select very cheap shipping method. My FedEx account, it need $2.39. I select it. At that project, total cost is $2.39 and $2, $4.39. Then select save to cart. Now I open the cart. At this page, we can check out it. I have the $2 discount for new customer PCB, $6 discount for order over $2 excluding freight. We have $2 discount now. All the settings are okay. Quantity 5 PCBs, secure checkout. At this page, we can fill these details. We need to fill real data of your. After fill it, we can place the order for JLC PCB. It is very high quality PCBs. JLC PCB is very high quality PCBs making company. Okay, I close it. I not need to place it for real order. This is only education purposes. Okay, we have next option, export to Gerber. Then I choose export to Gerber. Now continue exporting. It is automatically download. Now I open it. I extract it. I extract the download Gerber file. These are the included files in this zip file. Drill path, through hole, drill path through hole vias, flying probe testings, Gerber board outline layer, Gerber bottom layer, Gerber bottom silk screen layer, Gerber bottom solder mask layer, Gerber document layer, Gerber drill drawing layer, Gerber top layer, Gerber silk screen layer, Gerber top solder mask layer. How to order. These are the Gerber files for need to print PCB for your local suppliers. Okay, I think you can got the good knowledge about how to create PCBs using EasyEDA online platform. This is very easy platform for any student, any elder person, anyone, very easy to use this platform. Okay, next time we connect with more options of this EasyEDA platform. Okay, thank you buddies. Good day.